Welcome to Fly for Future Lawyers. Study plan for KLEE exam. Understand the exam pattern and syllabus. 1. Familiarize yourself with the exam pattern and syllabus. 2. Gather study materials, including textbooks and online resources. 3. Create a study schedule and stick to it. Syllabus. General English. 1. Grammar, tenses, direct and indirect speech, articles, auxiliaries, phrases, active and passive voice, idioms and phrases. 2. Vocabulary, word meanings, antonyms and synonyms, one-word substitutions, phrasal verbs. 3. Practice comprehension passages and exercises. General knowledge. 1. Current affairs, national and international news, sports and awards, books and authors. 2. History and geography, Indian history, world history, Indian geography, world geography. 3. Politics and economics, Indian polity, world politics, economics and finance. Mathematics and aptitude. 1. Mathematics, arithmetic, algebra, trigonometry. 2. Aptitude, logical reasoning, data interpretation, problem solving. Legal aptitude. 1. Legal terms and concepts, constitutional law, contract law, tort law, criminal law. 2. Legal reasoning, case studies, legal principles and rules. Practice and revision. 1. Solve mock tests and previous year's question papers. 2. Revise weak areas and practice time management. Tips and strategies. Create a study schedule and stick to it. Practice regularly and consistently. Focus on weak areas and improve them. Stay updated with current affairs and news. Focus on economics and business. Take a break after studying for 30 minutes. Consistent. Work hard. Achieve your goals. This is a video to understand the syllabus and motivates you to create your own timetable for cracking the KLEE exam. Stay motivated. Be positive. Work hard. Thanks for watching.